Let's talk about the mighty jalapeno, the spicy superheroes of the culinary world. These little green champions aren't just about heat, they're packed with flavor and some surprising health benefits too. First off, jalapenos bring the heat with a punch of capsaicin, which not only lights up your taste buds but also gives your metabolism a little boost, helping you burn those extra nacho calories. Plus, they're like a spicy wake-up call for your senses, adding a kick to any dish that needs a little zing. But wait, there's more. Jalapenos are also loaded with vitamins A and C, giving your immune system a spicy boost to fend off those pesky colds. And rumor has it, they can even help clear out your sinuses faster than a nosy neighbor in a hurry. So, whether you're spicing up your salsa, adding some kick to your tacos, or just munching on them straight, you brave soul, you, Jalapenos, are here to add flavor, fun, and a fiery twist to your culinary adventures.